Why do Spanish speakers say Soy de Canadá, but Estoy en Canadá? Both sentences use to be in English, but in Spanish, they do not mean the same thing. I'm Andres. Welcome to Clear Spanish Grammar, where Spanish grammar becomes simple and clear for beginners. In today's lesson, I'll explain the difference between two important Spanish verbs, ser and estar. Both mean to be in English, but Spanish uses them in different situations. Think of ser as identity. Use ser when you talk about who someone is, what something is, where someone is from, or what someone does. For example, soy Andrés means I am Andrés. Soy estudiante means I'm a student. Soy de Canadá means I am from Canada. Ella es doctora means she is a doctor. These sentences describe identity, origin, or profession. They tell us something important about a person. Now think of estar as location or current condition. Use estar when you talk about where someone is or how someone feels right now. For example, estoy en casa means I am at home. Estoy cansado means I am tired. Ella está enferma hoy means she is sick today. These things can change. You can be at home now and at school later. You can be tired now and rested later. Someone can be sick today and healthy tomorrow. A common beginner mistake is saying Estoy de Canadá. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is Soy de Canadá. Why? Because from Canada is origin. Origin is part of identity, so we use ser. But if you say Estoy en Canadá, that is correct. Now you're talking about location. Soy de Canadá means I am from Canada. Estoy en Canadá means I am in Canada. Let's compare one more example. Él es profesor, pero está enfermo hoy means he is a teacher, but he is sick today. We use es because being a teacher is his profession. We use está because being sick today is a temporary condition. So remember this simple rule. Ser is for identity, origin, profession, and what something is. Estar is for location and how something is right now. Before you leave, answer these 3 questions in the comments. Question 1. How would you say I am from the United States in Spanish? Would you use ser or estar? Question 2. How would you say I am at school in Spanish? Would you use ser or star? Question 3. How would you say she is tired today in Spanish? Would you use ser or estar? Write your answers in the comments. If Spanish grammar feels confusing, subscribe to Clear Spanish Grammar for simple whiteboard lessons that make Spanish finally make sense. See you in the next lesson.